if you're looking to grow and expand your business, the first thing you've got to do from day one is plan how you're going to be able to create an extra 6 hours a day of time to take on board all of the extra tasks that running a business is going to require of you. It's giving jobs away in the business that can be done by others under clear instructions. It takes a lot of skill and a lot of personal drive and motivation to keep going on those days when you're sitting there going, oh my God, we've just lost our best client, or oh my God, another member of staff has phoned in sick. And obviously over the last over this year with what's happened with COVID, the real pressure has been put on lots of us as business owners to be leaders and role models to demonstrate and keep driving the economy forwards.